Yes, it is a constant cycle of picking things up and putting it down. Okay. I'm just putting the offer out there. Mystic, say hi to Hazel. Hazel, this is Mystic. He's my mod. I know you're just kidding. Thank you for stopping by, though. I really appreciate it. Yeah, make sure to visit the website, ethanrun.com. Yes, Mystic, actually. So the way the... Here, let me mute this song real quick. The way the Restream IO chat works, it's actually really cool. It allows me to stream across multiple platforms at the same time. It's really cool. It also involves a lot of like variables and settings and setting up all these different sites. But I personally thought Facebook was down today, but apparently we're streaming on Facebook at the moment, as well as Twitch, as well as YouTube. We used to stream on Periscope until Twitter bought Periscope and killed Periscope. Rest in peace. Yeah. And the way Restream IO will work is it'll sync all the chats between all the platforms. You know, it's really innovative. It's actually really cool. You don't see a lot of people doing it, though, because in Twitch terms of service, if you're an affiliate or if you're a partner or if you want to run ads, I think cross-streaming is not recommended or something along those lines. But that's why you don't see ads on my stream. Thank you, Mystic. That would be much appreciated. I just want to make sure you guys are good. Make sure you guys are listening to what you want to listen to, watch what you want to watch. Oh yeah, Mystic. The chat also syncs up with the Discord. I'm not sure if you've noticed the Restream IO channel in the Discord. So somebody right now, for example, can type hello, and that should be visible on your end. Whoa, yeah, see? It's pretty cool. I like it a lot. Nice service. One of their employees, maybe marketing team or whatever, reached out to me once. Very nice people over there. Restream, highly recommend it for people who aren't planning on having ads played over their content anytime soon.